Hello friends. Today I'm showing you this amazing trick. Did you know you can access the internet super quick with just this few amazing trick? Alright, let's see how to go about this. Remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, so that you can continue receiving more and more amazing videos about the internet, about your mobile device, and all other help concerning your mobile device. Alright. Alright, open the settings application of your device. Look for SIM card and mobile network. Here you go. And now select the SIM card of your choice. Here I will select my SIM card and look for access point names. Here you go, access point names. And now we want to create a new access point name. I'll tap the addition sign. Probably it may not be an addition sign on your device. Now select the name, and here we are going to write the name of the SIM card. We shall be changing the name of a SIM card here, right here, and under the setting of APN we shall write there unlimited.com. Alright, shall save that and look for the server, and we shall write unlimited.com. Please check the description and see the various settings and access point names of your mobile SIM cards. I'll save these settings and I switch my new APN. Please remember to be cautious when dealing with APNs. Alright, I'll test my internet connectivity and see if this new APN is working in line with my SIM card. I'll open Google Chrome and I try to search something. Oh, you can see this. We are already receiving updates, meaning our internet connectivity is a success. Look at that. In the comment section, in case you get problems with connecting to the mobile internet. And please, if you find this video really helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed, and tap the share button to share this video with a friend and keep this video upgoing. Alright, once again I say thank you for watching and staying updated with the latest solution channel, and hope to see you in the next video.